charges.
It's an ongoing investigation, so no one really knows where it's going to lead. Mr. Anthony obviously wants to, like as I said, wants to have his rights protected, and he has a right to an attorney just like any other person.
As a former prosecutor, Thomas Lucas says the state could look to charge Casey's brother with obstruction of justice or aiding and abetting. Anthony hired Luca, who is now a criminal defense attorney. Lucas says not because Lee Anthony has done anything criminal, but because you never know what will happen in a case like this.
Everyone involved should have their rights protected and somewhat covered as far as knowing what the police can and can't do and what the police should and should not expect from the witnesses that are involved in this case.
Lucas says neither Lee nor George nor Cindy Anthony have been called as witnesses for the prosecution in the Casey case. He says you're only two things, a witness or a suspect, so they want to be prepared. For months, Lee Anthony has been doing an investigation of his own, looking into leads for other suspects. Lucas says Lee Anthony has cooperated with the cops, even handing over a DNA sample. But Lucas says he is here to give Casey's big brother some advice on what he should say to cops and what he shouldn't.
For that reason, he feels that at this point, the police are now that they're focusing completely on Casey, he doesn't know, he wants to make sure that his own civil rights are protected.